Hi, welcome to Japan Objects. My name is Billy Matsunaga and I'm a professional kimono teacher living in Kumamoto, Japan. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fold a kimono. This will work for any kimono and yukata. Receiving your first kimono or yukata can be pretty exciting and I bet you want to wear it right on spot. But you should also know how to fold and store a kimono. Understanding how to fold and store a kimono will help to avoid any unnecessary wrinkles, and it also will help the kimono to keep its shape. You don't need anything except enough floor space to spread out the kimono in front of you. Okay, let's get started. Lay out the kimono in front of you with the bottom to your right and the collar to your left. Always fold along the seams. The main side seam is called wakisen or outer seam. It starts at the shoulder and goes all the way down to the bottom. Fold the kimono along this line on the side in front of you. Make sure to straighten out any wrinkles after each fold. There is a seam down the middle of each front section called the okumisen or inner seam. Fold this section back towards you along the inner seam. One edge of the kimono is now pointing towards you. Pull the farther edge towards you slightly and lay it on top of the closer edge, making sure that they are lined up neatly. Do also line up both sides of the collar. In the center of the collar, you can find a fold that points inwards. And to its left and right, two folds pointing outwards. Put the right fold on the left and align them with the top of the kimono. The center inward-facing fold should be tucked nicely inside. And then you should have a perfect straight line on top. About an inch or 2 to 3 centimeters from the edge of the other side, you can find the second outer seam. Take this seam and lay it on the first outer seam closest to you. Turn the right sleeve over. In this close-up, you can see the farther outer seam clearly. Align it on the outer seam closest to you. Turn over the right sleeve and make sure that the top line of the kimono leads diagonally into the center back seam. By doing this, the center back seam will become the edge on the other side, and you will have folded the kimono in half down the middle. Fold the top sleeve inwards. Fold the length of the kimono in half. Turn it over and fold the other sleeve on top. And that's it. This is the shape that you store a kimono. If you're interested to learn more about kimono fashion and styling tips from experts or to buy an authentic kimono, check out japanobjects.com. And I also have more kimono advice on my own YouTube channel, Billy Matsunaga. Thank you so much for watching and look out for more kimono tutorials from Japan Objects. Bye!